Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Genesys Cloud step by step, especially if you are an absolute beginner. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try Genesys Cloud or explore their product tour, you can just check out the affiliate link of it in the description box below. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some sign-up bonuses or rewards depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official homepage of genesys.com. Now over here, before getting started with the platform or getting started with the demo, let's just briefly understand what exactly is Genesys Cloud. So Genesys Cloud is an all-in-one customer experience platform that is going to help businesses manage the communications across calls, chats, emails, and messaging. So everything here is centralized, which is why big support teams and enterprises use it. It's not just a simple tool, it is more like a complete system in order to manage the customer interactions. So in order to get started with the platform, simply click on the option of get started, either on the top right hand corner of the screen or on this particular section. So as soon as you do this, it is going to show you a bunch of different options here. So first we have the product tour. If you just click on this particular option, it will be opened in a new tab. Then we have the product demo option, and afterwards we have the option of pricing and plan. So here, if you want to talk to the Genesys expert, you can just simply click on this particular option as well. Now you need to provide some of your details like your work email, your telephone, and what are your needs, basically why you want to use it, and then click on the option of contact us. So now if you just have selected the option of product, you will be again shown this particular page in which you just have to provide the work email, telephone number, and user type, and then click on the option of start the tour. Afterwards, same for the demo. They required the work email and not our regular Gmails. So you need to make sure that you have a working email available in order to get a demo. Again, if you have selected the option of pricing, you are going to see this type of page. So over here, first of all, what you can do is you can just simply change the currency to USD or paste on any other currencies that you are basically looking from. Afterwards, you can select the license name, whether you want to select it as named, concurrent, or hourly interacting. So here, as you can see, Genesys Cloud CX1 is going to cost to 75 US dollars every single month, and they have the CX2, CX3, and CX4, and you will see their pricing written over here. You can also scroll down a bit and see what features you are going to get here with the help of the payment that you are basically going to make here. So if you want to get the custom pricing, you can also go ahead and select this option. For this, again, you need to talk to the pricing expert. So again, provide your work email, your telephone number, and pricing addition, and then simply select the option of I would like someone to reach out to me, and click on the option of let's talk. So what they are going to do is they are going to basically try to contact you via your email address or phone, and then they are going to basically try to address all of your requirements and help you get started with the platform more efficiently. So when you are going to get your login credentials from them, you can click on this username icon here on the top. Afterwards, you will be landed here on this particular page where you can either log in into your products, or you can also go to the Genesys or Chestras. So you can select any of these portals, and then you can basically sign in into your account. So here, once you enter the product tour, this is where things get really interesting. First of all, Genesys doesn't throw you into the complicated dashboards directly. Instead, it is going to guide you based on your roles like supervisor, admin, or agent. And honestly, this is one of the best things about Genesys, because most of the tools confuse beginners, but here the onboarding is actually structured. So when you log in into your account, the very first thing that you are going to see is the performance section. So the performance section is basically going to give you a high level overview of your entire organization. You are going to see the team performance, queue status, and overall activity. And from a review perspective, this can be really powerful because instead of checking multiple reports, everything will be visible in one place. Afterwards, you will also see the option of queue monitoring section, and that's the section where you can basically track how customers' requests are flowing. For example, are customers waiting for too long? Are queues overloaded? And this is exactly useful if you are managing support teams. And honestly, this is where Genesys feels like an enterprise level tool. Now, if you just move forward for analyzing, so you can analyze individual agent performance with the help of it. You can track or you can check how fast the agents respond, how many interactions they handle, and their efficiency. So this is great for team leaders because you can easily identify the top performers, the underperformers, and you can even basically improve the overall productivity. Now, with the help of Genesys, you will also get the interaction intelligence option, which is one of the most impressive features of Genesys. So, Genesys can analyze the conversations from your calls, your chats, and the messages, and it is going to give you the insights about the customer behavior, the common problems, the communication patterns. This is not something basic like CRM offers, and this is where Genesys stands out the most. Now, another strong feature of Genesys is the real-time monitoring. You can literally see who is working, who is idle, and who is handling the customers. And this section is going to help in managing the workload instantly. From a review perspective, this is extremely useful for the large teams as well. Now let's just talk about the admin side. So Genesys is going to give you full control to admin in one place. You can add the users, you can assign the roles to them, you can set the permissions, configure the workflows, and the best part is that everything is centralized, so you don't have to jump between different tools. Now, one feature that I personally like is their skill-based routing. You can assign the skills to the agents like language expertise, product knowledge, and Genesys here automatically sends the customers to the right person, and this improves both the speed and the customer satisfaction. Another big advantage of Genesys is the multi-channel support. So agents can handle the calls, the chats, and the emails. At the same time, this makes it perfect for the modern customer support system. So overall, Genesys Cloud is very powerful platform, but it's important to understand that this particular tool is not for beginners who just want something simple. It is designed for growing teams, enterprise level operations, and large teams. So if you need advanced controls in the analytics, it's definitely worth considering. So that's how you can get started with Genesys Cloud, and that's how these are the features that you can basically expect. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.